Molly, it looks like you got something. You got something in the mail. What do you think it is? What do you think it is, huh? What's that? What's that? Molly, do you want to open your present? Do you want to open your present? Okay, ring the bell. Let's find out what came from Hill Ridge Terrace. What do you think? Okay. You ready to find out? Dear Molly, so sorry you had to have surgery. We hope you are feeling better soon. Love, Grandma and Grandpa. What's this? What's that? What's that? Oh, what's this? What's that? Molly, what's this one? What's this? You wanna play tug of war? You wanna play tug of war? Not right now? Alright. Thanks, Grandma and Grandpa. Molly. You like it? You like your presents? Say thanks, Grandma and Grandpa.